Before moving on to the video, click on the subscribe, and then on the bell icon to get notified. Hi guys, welcome to All About Android. So the first launcher on this list is TSS Launcher. Here are the key features of this launcher. Swiping down on the home screen opens the universal search, where you can find apps and contacts. Opening the folder gives a very beautiful animation. Going into the settings, there are lots of things that you can customize, like the desktop grid, icon size and icon labels. You can enable notification dots like Android O. Hide apps from the app drawer. All the icon packs are supported in this launcher, as you can see here. Like the Nova launcher, you can back up your whole home screen and restore that in a new phone. The app drawer gives a blur effect to the background. You can make your app drawer as a list. Next launcher on this list is TSS Launcher. If you love 3D animations, then you should go for this launcher. Swiping down, open the search with a cool animation. Even you can find cool animations in your scroll bar also. You can set an alarm or a timer from the clock widget on the desktop. You don't have quick shortcuts, but long pressing on the icons gives you some options. Swiping from the left bottom of your home screen will take you to any page of your desktop. You get inbuilt 3D widgets in this launcher. Long pressing on the icons will give you quick shortcuts. Going into the settings, there are lots of things to change like icon packs, grid side, app labels, themes and blur effects, which gives this launcher a unique look. Guys, these are the top 4 free launchers that you try to replace Nova. Hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video.